Good day and welcome. I'll be answering WAEC 2020 Mathematics Past Question 33. In the diagram above, PQR, like you can see, PQR is a circle with center O. If angle OPQ is equal to 48 degree, not 480, 48 degree, find the value of M. So we have to find this value M. Now, angle OQP is equals to 48 degree also. Angle OPQ, that is this angle. Now we say this angle is 48 degree because looking at this here, you see that this is a triangle. This is the radius of a circle, and also from here is the radius of a circle because this O here represents the center of a circle. Now since these two sides of this circle are equal, we can say this is a what? An isosceles triangle. And like we know, base angle of isosceles triangle are equal. Base angle are equal, and this angle here with this angle here is equal. So therefore angle OQP is equals to 48 degree. Now we can now say that angle POQ plus angle OQP plus angle OPQ is equals to 180 degree. That is the sum of angle in a triangle. Now angle POQ plus OQP is 48 degree plus OPQ, which is also 48 degree, base angles is equals to 180. So therefore angle POQ is equals to 180 minus 48 plus 48, which is 96, and that is equals to 84 degree. So angle POQ is equals to 84 degree. Now let's look at it. This is the angle POQ. It is now 84 degree. If you look at it, angle POQ plus M is equals to 180 because they are angles on a straight line. So therefore, since angle POQ is 84, we have 84 plus M is equals to 180. So therefore M is equals to 180 minus 84 degree, and M is equals to 96 degree. So the answer to this question is option A, 96 degree. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.